What are the key requirements for packaging your dishes or drinks for sale in grocery stores?
Now, the biggest key requirement for packaging dishes or drinks for sale in grocery stores is that it must be compliant with the FDA. That's the Food and Drug Administration labeling guidelines.
Here's a list of those key requirements.
Number one, there has to be a statement of identity on the label.
This one is really simple, meaning the label must have your company or brand name on it.
Now, number two, there must be a net quantity of contents included on the label.
This is going to be the amount of product that's in the package. Normally, it's going to be listed by the weight or volume.
Now, number three, you have to display the nutrition facts or what's called a nutritional panel.
This panel provides information about the nutritional content of your product, including serving size, calories, nutrients, and percent daily value.
Now, number four, you'll also have to display an ingredient list.
All ingredients must be listed by weight.
Now, number five, there needs to be a spot for allergen information.
You'll need to disclose if your product contains any ingredients that may cause an allergic reaction in people. Ingredients like milk, eggs, peanuts, tree nuts, wheat, soy, fish, and shellfish must be written on the label.
Absolutely. And number six, you have to list who produced your product.
Yep. The name and the address of the manufacturer must be included on the label.
Now, number seven, the country of origin must also be disclosed on the label.
If your product is imported, you must specify the country where it was manufactured.
And number eight, your label must have a date marking.
That means how long will it be safe to eat or drink your product. You probably have seen examples of this on food products such as a best by date, a use by date, or sell by date.
Now, number nine is a nutrient claim.
The government requires that any claim regarding nutrients be in compliance with FDA regulations.
And number 10, food additives must be included on the label.
To comply with FDA requirements, any food additives used in your product must be listed on the label.
So it's important to understand that when you package and bring your food product to retail stores, that your labeling and packaging must be in compliance with FDA regulations in order to avoid penalties and to ensure safety and transparency.
You should also know that specific labeling requirements may vary depending on the type of food or beverage product. Therefore, make sure to examine the most current FDA guidelines before you package your product in order to make sure your labels meet all the necessary requirements. If you'd like to learn more details about the process of getting your food products on the grocery store shelves, check out our other videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell so you can be notified once we post a new video.